Shruti Vandade alongside Arpit Bharsate. Let's dive into the latest highlights. Firstly, let's move on our news headlines. Academic excellence acknowledged, Satpura Convent honors Students of the Week.
The next headline is Satpura Convent gears up the result declaration meeting.
Now on to our third headline, Patriotic Tribute. Satpura Convent celebrated Constitution Day with enthusiasm.
And the final headline, the successful conduct of Maths Olympiad exam at Satpura Convent of Scholars.
Now let's see in brief. Headline, Academic Excellence Acknowledged, Satpura Convent honors Students of the Week. In a celebration of dedication and brilliance, Satpura Convent takes pride in acknowledging its Students of the Week, recognizing their exceptional contributions to studies and beyond.
Moving on to our next headline, Satpura Convent gears up the result declaration meeting. As we transition to the crucial phase of academic calendar, Satpura Convent is gearing up the result declaration meeting, fostering collaboration between parents and teachers.
Indeed, Arpit, let's delve into the significance of these meetings, strengthening parent-teacher collaboration. The result declaration meetings serve as a crucial platform for parents and teachers to collaborate. Through open discussions, they work together to understand each student's progress, strengths, and areas for improvement.
The another importance is setting future goals. It is not just about discussing the past performances. It is about setting the realistic goals for the future, ensuring that every student must receive the support they needed for their future.
Now on to our third headline, Patriotic Tribute. Satpura Convent celebrated Constitution Day with enthusiasm. The school recently resonated with patriotic fervor as it celebrated Constitution Day, instilling civic values through educational sessions and cultural programs.
And the final headline, the successful conduct of Maths Olympiad exam at Satpura Convent of Scholars. The Satpura Convent had witnessed a triumph of intellect with the successful conduct of Maths Olympiad exam, emphasizing the school's commitment to nurturing mathematical progress.
Before we conclude, a special shout out. Special thanks to teachers. Satpura Convent welcomes Winter with Delight. Our incredible teachers organized a heartwarming Welcome to Winter activity, creating awareness on winter care. Their dedication to joy and well-being is truly appreciated.
As we embrace the winter chill, let's prioritize the self-care. Stay warm, stay healthy, and make most of the winter under the guidance of our respected principal sir, supervisor of Satpura Convent, and all the teacher staff.
That wraps up this edition of Satpura Convent's news. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you so much for joining us and have a wonderful evening.
Goodbye everyone.